What's up guys, Doug from Doug and Niki here today, and today we are answering the ultimate question. Do you need more pixels or do you need more power? We're throwing down in an underwater camera cage match between the SVBONY SVGO 2 and its big brother, the SVBONY SVGO 3. If you're looking for the best budget action camera for travel vlogging, or you just don't want to cry if you drop your gear in the ocean, listen up because one of these is definitely your co-pilot. In this video, I'm also going to compare them to like a little bit older versions of the GoPro Hero 9 Black as well as the DJI Osmo Action 3 because they kind of have similar statistics. Speaking of statistics and specs, let's talk specs because the numbers don't lie, even if fishermen do. First up, the SVGO 2. This bad boy is rocking a 4K 30 frames per second and, get this, 50 megapixel photos. If you're the guy who wants crisp, poster-worthy shots of your snorkeling trip, that 50 megapixel sensor is a beast. Plus, it has EIS 2.0 stabilization and dual touchscreens. Why dual screens? So you can frame yourself perfectly while looking cool, or at least trying to look cool. But then enters the SVGO 3. This is where things get fast. We bump up to 4K at 60 frames per second. That extra frame rate means you have action footage that is going to look buttery smooth, especially if you slow it down later. It also features a slick magnetic quick release mount. Trust me, when your hands are wet and cold, not fumbling with the screws is a game changer. It's basically the pit crew of camera mounts. Now here is the knockout punch. The SVGO 3 boasts a massive 300 minutes of battery life. That's 5 hours, guys. You can literally run out of energy before this camera does. It also comes with a ready-to-rock 128GB card in the box. However, don't sleep on the SVGO 2 package. It comes with 2 batteries and a floating selfie stick. If you're clumsy like me, that floating stick is an insurance policy for your dignity. Look, you've been watching the video of both of these cameras in all kinds of different situations, including compared to that GoPro Hero 9 Black and that DJI Osmo 3. Here is my verdict. Go for the SVGO 2 if you want the killer 50 megapixel stills and selfie ready dual screens. Grab the SVGO 3 if you need that smooth 4K 60 video and marathon battery life for all day shoots. If this helps you decide, please use the affiliate links down below. It makes a big difference to the channel. Smash that like button and follow the channel for more gear reviews from the road. If you have any other questions, put them down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them for you. You know what? I'm going to check out now and go catch some new adventures, and I'll see you in the next one.